Alright guys, good morning, happy Monday. Hope you all had a good weekend. Okay, so I had a quick look at gold yesterday while I was watching the football, and yeah, it seems to be selling off a lot quicker than it's buying, right? So we've got these key levels marked up, 2020 at the low of current price action and 2040. We haven't quite hit 2040 for well over a week now. Okay, price action on the 1 hour does look quite bearish. However, for the last 5 hours we've got 5 bullish candles, which means we could potentially see a bearish candle, maybe London, maybe a little bit later, but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, when you're looking at the candlesticks, it's not very often that you see more than 5, 6, 7 bullish candles in a row. So I've marked off this area as a consolidation area. We dropped down to the 30-minute time frame, and we're just kind of bouncing between these prices here. We've created a new high here, right? So we've got a higher low, but now we're just nothing, right? So we're here at the minute. What are we going to do? We're going to come down and revisit 2021, maybe 2020, which means we could see something like this, right? Maybe that would be a little bit higher. So we'd have a pull up, and then that kind of that kind of formation. All right. I'm not adverse to taking a short, because I think with gold you can be a little bit more open bias. So if you look at this area here, obviously we've got a double bottom, right? So there's liquidity below here from last week. Okay, so Thursday, low, bounce, Friday, tried to bounce, but obviously it's getting late in the day. If you revert to one of my price action videos, I can't remember which one it is, but I think I did a reel on it last week as well. Anyway, you'll remember that I show you this pattern, which is like a bear flag, right? Which does this kind of thing. Just before it breaks through a major level, it will give the opinion to most people that it's starting to buy again, right? So this would look something like a bear flag. Okay, and then once we get the breakout, we could take shorts, or we can start looking for shorts at least. Bear in mind it is still only Monday, and we don't have to rush anything. Okay, I've marked this area as the low here, but I wouldn't be getting involved anywhere in this area, because this is clearly a rejection level. We could see a liquidity grab and then a move up. So if, however, we were to get maybe a 1 hour or 4 hour close below, I would be looking for maybe a wick up, and then maybe we could take a short, because in terms of how far we look to take our profit in gold, right, we've got about 500 pips here, right? And if we take the option 2, which is to go for buys only, we've got roughly about 400 or 500 pips also. So we've got range to trade into. We've got clean traffic here, so this could get filled, possibly all the way up to the wick. I doubt it, but you never know with gold. So this morning I have 2 options. All right, I want a closure on the 30-minute above, or a closure on the 1 hour below 2020. The reason why I'd go above 26.34 is because if we're creating a new high, so we've got a high and then a new higher low, and if we're going to go and create a new higher high again, then there's potential that this will continue up to at least maybe 31, 30, and we can look to make some nice profit, 1 to 1 even on a Monday, or 1 to 2. All right, so that's my idea at the minute. I'm going to allow gold to accumulate. If it accumulates in here all day, then there'll be no trade. If we get a breakout either way, then I'll be looking to get in using the system that I've taught you in the Discord videos. All right, I'll catch you in the chat room.